I've been tagged in a message in the sales channel. They want to see the inventory. Okay, I can get that to them right away. In the toolbar, I'm going to Files. Having this available in the toolbar is so handy because I don't have to leave my screen in order to find what I need. If you'll notice here, I can search by file type, box, which is channel or project, and members. Having this feature native to the platform eliminates the need to dig through old folders on my computer or email threads, which is a huge time saver. I know our inventory is a Google Sheets file, so I will select Spreadsheets. I love that having all of these files available is possible without having to take up storage space on my device. Now I'm not sure which channel or project I saw this in, so I will just leave this one as all boxes. Natalie was the one who did this month's inventory, so I'm going to select her name. It's so quick and easy to narrow it down. Okay, so here are the results of the search. You can see the icons which tell you which channel or project the file was posted in before. Here's the file, so I'm just going to drag and drop this into the channel and notify Kim and the sales team. I love how searching files allows me to get back to people quickly because I don't have to leave the platform to search for a document. We hope you enjoy the Swit Files tool and look forward to hearing about how it improves your workflow.